You are now president of the British Pain Society. How has this come about?
I have been involved in the work of the British Pain Society for approximately 15 years now. And originally, I was invited to be a co-opted member of council. And then over a number of years, I was then an elected council member. I've also been honorary secretary and most recently vice president before being appointed president-elect. So it is a journey. It has been a journey over many years, and I think it would be fair to say that anything that has medicines involved will have had my involvement over the last few years.
And do you have in mind any specific tasks or projects for your presidency? During
this conversation, we've already alluded to how common pain is. And so I am very keen that the British Pain Society looks to consider how it can interact with people and healthcare professionals particularly, where pain is a much lesser part of their job than people like me. So shall we say more generalists, particularly within primary care, because actually that is where the majority of people with both acute pain and chronic pain are seen, as opposed to in more specialist services.
Mm-hmm. And now another question. Does the British Pain Society have a role in the management of post-operative pain?
We certainly do. We have members whose main interests are more focused on acute pain following surgery, as well as chronic pain, and also going into palliative care and cancer pain as well. So it is pain in its broadest sense.
And following on from the previous question, could you comment on the role of modified release preparations for the management of post-operative pain? I'm aware, for example, that in some places fentanyl patches are used for post-op pain.
If I start by saying, well, that was highlighted years ago, and sort of ground rule is that transdermal fentanyl should not be used for acute pain. So I'm very disappointed that there are places that are still using it. But equally, there's a big drive not to use modified release oral preparations as well.